La Bohème is one of the most beautiful operas ever written. It's theatre at its best.
It's one of the operas to go and see.
Music, singing, production, all first class. It couldn't have been improved upon at all.
Mae rhaid ddod I weld o. Mae'n stori mor brydferthygist a mae jyst yn darn o drama gwych.
It's definitely more than I expected. I think I'm going to dream about it. It was really good, yeah.
I absolutely loved the opera. I've seen lots and lots of opera in theatre, and it was the best opera I've ever seen. It was electrifying.
My favourite moment is when Mimi and Rodolfo met the first time, and like when they sing and they fell in love really quickly and like they say I love you. I really love it.
I really enjoyed it. I loved the set, that was amazing, and especially the way they used it. I love the portrayal of the friendships within it as well, and kind of the chosen family aspect of that, so I really enjoyed that.
It was really amazing. The singing was outstanding, the acting was great. They really held you the whole way through, so yeah, really enjoyed it.
Well, at the end, we sat in silence. It was so moving. Every ounce of drama was brought out. It was a superb production.
Oedden ni'n gwybod bydde fe'n emosiynol, ond dwi'n ni ddim yn disgwyl I fod mor fel affected gan just y cerddoriaeth a gan y drama hefyd.
I think I'm going to tell my friends how much I enjoyed this La Bohème opera. I recommend everyone I know, yeah.
I would recommend it to anybody. It was just unbelievable. I would go and see it again tomorrow.